just have those out of the way and clamped together so that, you know, any weird stresses that they would have from just sitting around breathing the variable air quality around here will just kind of equalize out a little bit. Let me see here. Anyway, that's been done. And this is what I just got done. I installed these 4 pegs. It's the last of the pegs. And then I installed the feet. And you can see what I'd used. I'm assuming you can see it. Maybe you can't on that one. Yeah, it's pretty tough to see. But I did a diagonal from corner to corner and aligned the corner here on that line, and then just kind of eyeballed the contour to where I wanted it, and did a quick center tap of the where the screws are going to go. And I glued it up, put it back in place, screwed it down until I had some good squeeze out. Not under huge pressure. I don't want to you know, split the wood or anything. Just enough to get good squeeze out. That means that the bond is going to be good. Did that on both of them. And then did this. I drilled the pegging holes and just glued it up and set up one simple clamp running the entire height. Equalize the pressure between the two. Again, just enough for a good squeeze out, and that's it. Just needs to set up. So structurally, this thing's done. Good to go. Everything now is finished work. I've got to make the drawers and the doors and make sure everything's the same height and all that. Then we can move to painting and installation.